Dear learner, to draw river using this river extension or beam, we have to create this overall beam as a single beam. Okay, so let's do it. So I'll go to level 1. Let's say for this beam we'll draw. Click delete, and now go for beam. Yeah, should be a structural beam, then grid beam 1, and from that point to that point we'll draw a single beam. Okay, now see, this beam are acting as a single beam and that beam are acting as a another single beam. Okay, for every portion. I'll go to 3D, I'll click that beam, I'll go to river extension, I'll go beam. Okay, now you can see we have 3 beam, but let's say if you select this beam and if you go for river extension, click this beam, go for river extension and beam, you will see it will give you only on, it will give you reinforcement for only the selected span. Okay, so now I'm going to select it here and beam. Now we can see we're seeing 3 span with perfect distance and column size also. Okay, now here we'll go for our stirrup first, then 10 mm stirrup type, this one, and what will be the value of C, 135 degree, our hook as we have discussed previously, and it will be, let's say, 40 mm for beam. And also if you want to use additional linkage reinforcement, you can use that. Then stirrup distribution. So for stirrup distribution they have 3 options. Okay, this is the same for every section. They have some difference in both support spacing are very close, and in middle have less spacing. I'll select this one. Now you can see here from a DL, what is the meaning of DL? Face of the column to stirrup. So I'll provide that D left, that is 50 mm as per ACI code, and also 50 mm for as per ACI code. Now I'll go for the next portion, then spacing for this part. Okay, and first, before that I will first complete this value. So what will be the distance of L on where we'll provide more spacing, less spacing, that is as per code minimum 2 A's. So our depth of beam is 15 mm, that means 15 inch, that means total 30 inch. 30 into 25, 750. I'll provide here. Also in that side 750. Yeah, you can see this distance here. Now SR, so this spacing, so I'll provide this spacing as a 4 inch or 100, and this I'll provide this is a 7 inch or 175, 100. Now you can see the difference. Okay, now just simply click here. And they have also another option, Stirrup distribution above the extreme support. Okay, so we're not going to use that. Now we'll go for span 2. Same, this option. What was the value? 750, 750, 100. Actually, you have to provide this value as per design data. $100. Okay, done. 100, 175. This value will be 50. In this side also 50. Okay, done. Now I'll go for the next one. Sorry, I'll go for span 3. Same, I'll select this option. Done. So our Stirrup is okay. Now I'll go for main bar. So for main bar, I'll use 16 member hook. In both sides, I'll provide hook, obviously 90-degree hook and 90-degree hook, because the both sides are end. LB for top bar. Number of bar, I'll provide 2 estate bar in top, 2 estate bar in bottom, and LA will be 8D. So as I'm providing 8 into D means 16 mm bar, 128. This is the minimum requirement as per code. So you can provide as per your calculation. It's done. And I'll go for additional top bar. So first of all, we'll go for 1. Yes, we'll provide additional top bar. Let's say we'll provide 1. Obviously, we'll provide hook. And what will be the length here? What will be the length? So you have to calculate almost 1/3. So we have a value. Actually, in support we have to provide 1/4 or L/4 distance. So here our total distance is 2875 divided by 4. The given value is 719. It's predefined value is almost same. Done. And I'll provide LA. LA will be, this is the actually development length or hook length. So it will be as per previous data 128, I mean 8D. Done. And so if we have a development length or a bar above this support, we can add here, but we'll add it later. I'll go for span 2. Okay, come here, click here, and here we'll provide this bar also. So in left it will be on 9. Okay, and in right it will we'll divide that value. We'll divide that value with 4 or 3. It's better to use 3, L/3. So what is the span distance? 4562 divided by 3. That means 1520. So in right side it will be 1520, and in left side it will be 2875 divided by 3. It's 958. Here 958. Okay, and hook, I'll provide 90-degree hook. Sorry, will not provide hook at midpoint, none. And rebar will be 16 mm. Done. It's done. Now we'll go and I'll provide one on number on bar. I'll go for span 2, and span 2 in left support already value are provided. I'll go for right support, and in right support or this side value, this value and this value will be same, because I'll take 1/3 of that value, and from that side I have to calculate 4590 31530 16 mm, no hook, on bar. Okay, as a number of bar 1, number of bar 1, go for 3, and this side will be same. Just in right side will provide reinforcement, obviously will provide hook at int 1, and this value of this bar will be 4590 divided by 3, sorry, divided by 4 on 47. On 47, and LB, what will be the value of LB? 128 as previous. 16 mm 16 mm, done. Additional bottom bar. So if we need to provide any additional bottom bar, let's say you need bottom bar in middle or anywhere, you can do it. So I'll provide for span 1. Okay, for span 1 at left int I'll not put any reinforcement. At middle I'll provide on 16 mm bar, and it will be L divided by 8 distance from both sides. So what is the total distance? 2875 divided by 8, it's 359, let's say 360. So it will be 360 in both sides. LR, so what is the, sorry, LR means the for middle to left. So I'll come here, I'll open our calculator, recalculate it. Two 875 divided by 8. Okay, divided by 8 into 6 minus 2875. 7 on 8, let's say 719. 719 will be minus from both sides, or the value we got here 1256 12 5, sorry, 21 2156 divided by 2 1078, or this value will be 1078 1078. If we provide reinforcement in middle, actually as per your code you have to calculate it. Clear? Now I'll go for a span 2. I'll provide middle. The same, I will divide that value for 8 times 5 4 5 2 6 divided by 8 into 6 divided by 2. It's 1697. Sorry, I done a mistake. I just double clicked, so it's already selected. Again, click here, go to extension and go to modify. 2, again I'll go 3. So same at middle I'll provide, let's say, actually it's totally depend on your design calculation, right? But I'm going to show you how we can do it. So again 4590 divided by 8 into 6 divided by 2 on 721. On 721 done. 16 mm bar. Okay, for 2, 16 mm for 3. Okay, now bar diversion anywhere if you need to provide lapping. Let's say I'll provide a lapping here, then you have to do it. Okay, so lapping diversion of main, division of main top bar. Clear? So you have to calculate it very carefully. Here, aileron. So what is the aileron? This is the from first rebar to last rebar, then L2 here, and here Li. So if you go here, you'll get distance, or you'll get every distance or everything here given. Now use spacing as a length. How much spacing I'll provide, I'll do it here. Now if you want to provide a spacing actually, then I will do it. Then they have option with lap splices over support. Okay, so I'll not do it. I'll go here. This is for top bar. Now how we'll do it actually? First of all, aileron. So what will be the aileron? It's given a L1, that means fast reinforcement length. So what will be the fast reinforcement length? Let's say after how much distance it will give you a lapping. Okay, so I'll take the lapping for fast reinforcement, in 2078. After 2078 it will give you a lapping here, but I will for top rebar, let's say I'll take a lapping here, and our lapping will be 300. Okay, lapping will be 300. Done. Now lapping for next rebar. So after this rebar will move, and how much distance it will move? It will move L2 from this point to this point. Is 4758. That means maybe here it will give you a 3 mm lapping, and also after and L3 lapping of L3, it will give you a lapping after 5625 distance, and it will be 300. Okay, so they have 4 lapping value. Now let's and we will not provide lapping. Okay, let's say We'll provide another lapping in bottom. Now go for OK. Okay, now we'll check our lapping. See, there we got a lapping. Here we got a lapping. Clear? If we go level 1, see, okay, lapping are not showing here. Actually, we are not seeing our lapping actually, but no lapping are not showing here. But if we go to ready, you click here, you will see the lapping. This is the extension bar. This is the extension bar. Okay, and here this is the lapping. Again, for bottom, maybe they have some lapping, and you can see this is for our bottom bar, and this is for our bottom bar, and this is for our top bar. Okay. And here this is the extension bar. So this is the extension bar. So this is the way to draw our beam. Okay, now let's say we'll go to level 1 and go to view, then go to section. Done. Okay, done. Now I'll double click here. See, this is the reinforcement detailing of our beam. And also, if I go level 1, section, click here, double click, see, this is the reinforcement did. So we're seeing they have a 180 extension. I'll go to 3D. I'll select the beam. I'll select the beam. Go to modify and main lever 90 degree, 90 degree to additional bar 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay. Okay. Actually, this is the way to complete our detailing, and I hope after this video you'll be able to detail a beam very quickly as per your requirement, and from the section also you'll be able to show it. Just click here, click here, click here. In this way you are able to show it. Clear? And now if you also go to 3D, sorry, go to level 1, and if you create, just move till this point here and go to section 2. Here, come here, and you can see you're also able to watch our detailing with foundation, and also if you use detailing for column, also you'll see it for that column. Okay, now if I go here, level 1, I will delete it, select, delete. Okay, and let's create another view. Okay, see, this is the detailing for column. Here, so this is the detailing of our column, footing, and beam. In this way we are able to create any detailing for our member. So thank you very much.